Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
You may also experience missed periods followed by brown discharge if you've recently started using a new hormonal birth control. Sometimes it can also be a sign of pregnancy. Brown discharge can replace a period or come after a missed period during early pregnancy.
Take our lead.
Other possible causes include pelvic inflammatory disease, endometriosis, and an infection. Vaginal discharge is normal, and it typically changes texture and color throughout the menstrual cycle. It is common for discharge to be cloudy or white several days before a period starts.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.